Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alisia.B, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do curls with a curling iron. Now I know us girls, we have difficulty doing it, but don't worry, I'm going to show you guys the tips that I use to make it easier for me. Even though I still have trouble doing it, I find following these tips really help. So the curling iron I'm going to be using today is a Hot Tools Professional curling iron, 1.25 inches. This is a silver one. I believe it's just a professional one, not the signature one. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I did try this curling iron before, but I used it on my kinky straight hair and it wasn't curling, and somebody told me it's because of the texture of the hair. Kinky curly is not really meant to be curled tightly because of the texture, so I decided to use it on this straight hair today. So let's see how this works. The first thing you want to do is have face framing layers. And whenever you curl your hair, you always want to have layers. It just accentuates the curls, make your hair look more bountiful and full, and it looks really nice. Now for me, I'm just going for a loose layered curl look. Nothing too tight, nothing too heavy. So I'm going to start off with the face framing. Even if you don't cut the back, always cut face framing layers. This will make your hair look so good. It accentuates your face, it shows off your style, and it's just chef's kiss. So let's get right into it. And I know I still feel for you. Cause like a riddle, yeah. Give me that cruise on a riddle. Oh, that's a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, baby bitch. Tell me love her to the morning, nah. Love her to the nighttime, nah. I don't get nobody, yeah. If you give me body, I won't tell nobody, yeah. Valley girl, she West Coast. Now she want me pool skirt, so me pool skirt. Valley girl, she West Coast. You see, it's obvious, sensational, yeah. What didn't I do for you, girl? And I know I still feel for you. Love like a riddle, yeah. Give me that clues on a riddle. Oh. So once you're done doing your layers, you can take a piece of your hair and just make sure that the rest of your hair is put out the way, so that way it doesn't get like annoying, okay? So we take a bit of the hair. I always start from the back. So what I do is I split my hair in half. Let's do what I usually do. I split my hair in half, clip up the side that I'm not doing, just to make it a little bit easier for me. And then I start from the bottom of the piece that I am doing and then going up. Okay, so the way you want to curl is you want to make sure that the clamp, this part, is always facing outward, okay? You're always facing it outward. You're not facing it in, you're facing it out, okay? So that's the trick to make sure the curl is going the right direction. And also you want to do, like, you want to curl it away. So when you're doing this way, you want to curl it away from your face, not towards. You want to do it away from your face, okay? Okay, clamp is facing out. Go from the root, slide down a little bit. Do not go all the way to the end and curl up. Don't do that, because when you do that, the ends of your hair is going to get burnt, and that's not what you want, okay? Especially if you're doing it on your natural hair. You don't want to go all the way down to the end and then curl up, because then this will get burnt and then that's just a hot mess, okay? So take a bit of the hair, go to the root, slide down a little bit, and curl away from your face, okay? Curl. Grab the tail of the hair, let it go a little bit, curl. Okay, grab the tail of the hair, let it go a little bit, curl. And that is your curl. See? Nice. Nice curl. So one thing about this curling iron is because it's a larger barrel, you can't have too much hair on it for this particular curling iron. So you want to take at least like this much, okay? Again, clamp outward, bring it down a little bit, and not like this because you don't want to bend it, okay? Twirl it away like this, okay? And make sure you hold the end and pull it taut because that will make your hair stay on the barrel. So then when you have it all on the barrel, you want to leave it on for about like 30 seconds to a minute. And then you can let it go. And then that's the curl. Very, very pretty. Super easy as well, okay? So we're going to go rapid fire and see how this side looks.
Yeah, life's pretty sweet, every bit of this one, she's fine, oh yeah. She want this, and she got this. She no bit control, yeah. She dancing, she wind it. She make me want give her body back shots, body. Give her body back shots, body. Give her body back shots, body. Oh, 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 oh. Actually, the way I jump for NYC. Big girl, she carry the best acting. Steady, be ready, baby, assassin. Sweet in my belly, you're like cake, ice, something jelly. Eggplant emoji, so trained when I slide it in. Now she watching me like telly. Sensational, yeah. Waiting I do for you, girl. And I know, and I know, and I know. I still fall for you, love like a riddle, yeah. Give me the clues for the riddle. Oh, wow, that's a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, baby, bit off.
Girl, I only need your outside dress. If you wanna pull up on my tape cassette, but put it wider than the internet. I'm a presidential bureau fan to lose. Goody goody, girl, goody goody, bam bam. I need you now. Put me on fire like a lantern. Girl, you taste so divine, and I wonder why you so sensational. Oh, yeah.
What didn't I do for you, girl?
Can I do for
And I know, and I know, and I know. I still love you, love like a riddle, yeah. Give me the clues for the riddle. Oh, that's a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, baby, bit off. Sensational, yeah. What didn't I do for you, girl?
Okay, so this is how this side looks. Nice and curled. It's going to be, remember, this is a 1.25 inch, so it's not going to be tight curls at all. Okay, so we're going to go on to the other side. The other side now is going to be a little bit different because it's flipped. So the clamp is still facing forward. And again, the same thing. You're just going to be turning away from your face, okay? Again, it's going to be awkward because it's the other side. And for me, it's still awkward. But once you get used to it, it's going to be easy, okay, guys? So remember, barrels always facing forward. Always facing the mirror. Okay, never facing behind you, always forward.
I'm running back, I'm turning down, turning up and down and down, coming down. I be coming for your mind, running in. I be fighting for your time, right? I know it's fine, I know it's good, damn. I know you're mine, you know it too.
You let go, and this is your curl. Okay? Okay. Take the hair, barrel, always towards the mirror, so towards you guys, okay? Not like this, but like this, okay? Towards the mirror, and pull and away from your face. Okay? Pull and away from your face. Again, it's gonna feel awkward because it's the other side, but you'll be alright.
The vibe is made, the vibe is made. It's my peace of mind, I'ma give you one more try, yes. If you need a ride, then you met the leading vibe, yes. Come and get this on, you can put it where you like. I'ma tell you on my vibe, but now I see you just been on there waiting.
Go. And then that's the curl, okay? Beautiful. How my hair looks fully curled. I absolutely love it. What I'm gonna do now is I'm not gonna comb out my curls with the brush. I'm gonna use my fingers and just comb it out, but I'm gonna use a diamond brush just to smooth out my leave out at the top, okay? But I'm not gonna go all the way down my hair. I'm just gonna go just like that. And then now I'm just going to comb it out with my fingers. And it gives me a nice loose curl. Oh, this is so pretty. And this is what the layers are given. Like you can see how like it looks bountiful and it looks so good. And this is what I wanted. I'm going to put a little bit of edge control just to finish off the look. And you guys, this is it. Okay. This is how my hair looks. It looks good. Oops. Sorry, guys. It looks good. This is the back. Put a little bit of lip gloss on. And this is it, guys. So I hope you guys learned how to use a curling iron. I know it can be overwhelming sometimes, but just literally take your time. My tip is start using a curling iron without the heat and then get used to the hand movements. And then when you're comfortable, turn it on. So again, if you guys love this video, if you guys didn't, I don't know why, but subscribe either way. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.